Hello. This is Allison Jesse Roberto. This is my coding of the Sense of Purpose interview. I chose questions 4 and 5. Question 4. How did you awaken to your purpose in life? What are some of the key moments, people, and factors that informed the nature of your life's purpose? Was your sense of purpose influenced or imposed by others, such as family members, spiritual organizations, any other organization? In what ways? The classmates' data that I used my own data. I used Myra Cortez's, Valerie Rodriguez, Gina Wren, Selena Chong, and Sarah Tetsui. The participants. Female, my first participant, female, 53 years old, instructional coach, ELA. She has 28 years experience. My next participant, male, under 30, IT specialist, 1 year experience. My next participant, female, 26, teacher, 4 years of experience. My next participant, male, 30, customer service, 4 years experience. My next participant, male, under 30, deputy sheriff, 3 years experience. And my last participant, female, 30 to 49 years old, teacher on special assignment, 13 years experience. And this is how I broke up my data. The top of my chart I have for my codes: finances, career choices, family, and experiences. And I felt that nicely walked into my category of motivation. And further, as I went through my choices, well, I noticed that motivation could be both intrinsic and extrinsic motivation, because if you look at like your career choice, depending on your career choice, you could have a career choice that where money was your motivation, or you could have a career choice where you were more intrinsically motivated, that you were like helping others or doing things like that. But I did notice that from all of their choices, it seemed like they kind of were looking for some stability in their life. So I had my theme as stability. Then go down to the bottom of my chart. I have my codes: significant others, parents, and children, and I listed those as foundational relationships. And then the bottom part of my chart, I have faith, spiritual leaders, teachers, and friends as another part of my as another set of my codes, and I call those I categorize those as influencers. And I felt both of these foundational relationships and influencers were really all about connections. And these are the quotes that I got. Foundational relationships. It's one of the quotes I have. I hope that I've taken on Dad's firmness and Mom's patience. For influences, I knew that keeping my faith would help me do the job the best I could. And for motivation, you know how our society works is you need money to be able to buy a house, to do those kinds of things, to support other people, a spouse and children. I think that is my last slide. Thank you.